Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. That ensures files land in the right place. Next, open or install Google Drive for desktop and sign in when prompted so Drive can access local folders. Once done, choose whether to stream or mirror files to your laptop. Streaming saves disk space, while mirroring keeps local copies. Make sure you grant permissions for file access so the app can read and write in your selected folders. Now configure which folders transfer between cloud and laptop. Open Drive Preferences and pick specific My Drive folders to stream or mirror. Once you've selected folders, map local folder paths for backups and decide whether to sync all files or only chosen subfolders. Then refine sync behavior, limit upload/download bandwidth to avoid network strain, set off-peak syncing if needed, and enable file conversion or backup options. If you use a proxy or VPN, make sure settings match so Drive can connect reliably. To finish, verify the sync status indicator and check recent upload timestamps to confirm files updated. If you encounter file conflicts, choose whether to keep the latest version or keep both copies and rename one. This prevents accidental data loss. If syncing stalls, restart the Drive app, sign out and sign back in, or reboot your laptop to reset network interfaces. As a key troubleshooting tip, confirm you have sufficient cloud storage and local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.